Welcome to Andy's Garage. I'm Andy Phillips. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the reverse tail light in your Prius C. So let's go ahead and get started.
To complete this, all you need is a 10mm socket and either a screwdriver extension for it, or you can just use a regular extension with a ratchet, but you will need an extension, at least a 3 or 6 inch extension. Next you'll need a flathead screwdriver, and I'll show you why you'll need that, just to kind of get in there to pull the clips back a little bit. And then lastly, you'll need your replacement bulb, which this is a 921 series bulb. You can get these anywhere. I'll put the information along the bottom.
This is the one that we're going to be working on the passenger side. Let's go ahead and open up the hatch so we can get to the access screws to remove it. Here at the top of the assembly is your first 10mm screw, and then as you come all the way down here, your second one is right down here at the bottom. So those are the two that have to come off, and then we'll be able to pull this whole assembly off. Now with these off, sometimes this can still be hard to pull because it has clips on the top and bottom that hold it in, and that's where a little flathead screwdriver, just something to insert. You don't want to scratch the paint, but just slide it in gently and just kind of pull at the same time, and it'll pop it right out. Same down here at the bottom. We'll grab that and pop that out as well from here on the side. With the assembly pulled out here, you have access to all the bulbs that you need. You have your top one here, which is your turn signal. Then you have your middle ones here. And then down here on the lower end, you have your backup or reverse light, which is what we're going to be looking at now. So what you're going to do is just take your hand here and just turn that counterclockwise. It'll pop out, and then we can pull this whole housing out. And you can see in this case here, this one was broken, and that's what we're going to be replacing with the 921 bulb. All right, so we're going to go ahead and pull that out. With this case, be careful because you're dealing with broken glass. Slides right out. Here's the new one. Slides right into the same place. Gently clip it in. You're done. So now we're going to go ahead and put this back in, and we're going to turn it clockwise until it locks in place like that. And now let's put the assembly back on, and we're done. We're going to gently put this in. You want to make sure that you align these clips here, and there's one up top. You want to line them up with the holes. We'll get them in line here. Once they're in, clips in place, and now we'll go ahead and put the screws in, and we're done. All right, well that pretty much wraps it up. This is all now good to go. Your light is replaced. I hope this video helped you out. Please send me any questions, any comments. I would love to hear from you. As always, I appreciate all the support. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time.